Today, I'm going to share an insane online money-making method with you guys. This information is unique and isn't well known to the general public. I'll be showing you how to make money using a specific website where you can earn a lot of money in just a few minutes. This will not work for you if you're too lazy to implement the steps that I'll be showing throughout this video tutorial. To start, I want you to visit this website, which is g2.com. On this website, we will find a whole host of software categories. As you can see right here, you'll find a bunch of ratings for each one ranging from 1 to 5 stars. Here's the trick. By simply giving ratings for the software on this website, you can get paid again and again. And the best part is, it's simpler than you might think. But pay close attention because I'll be showing you practical examples on how to do this. So first, I want you to scroll down and look for this Write a Review button. What we want to do is write a review and you can get paid for it. So go ahead and click on this button, which is going to take you to this page right here, and as you can see, there are a couple of steps that you have to follow. First of all, you're going to select a software or service to get the rating. Then you'll need to write a review, as well as share it on LinkedIn. And then you're done. Just like that, you'll be able to make some cool cash and you can do it over and over again. Now let's go further. The first step, find and choose a product on which you want to leave a review. As you can see here, there are a bunch of different categories. For example, advertising, sales, media and communication, and so on. Now let's say you want to review a product in the information technology category. Just click on it and then you'll be taken to this page right here. If we scroll down, we can see that there are actually tons of different softwares to choose from and give ratings to. Remember, your earning opportunities here are unlimited, but try not to get overwhelmed because this is a step-by-step process. If you guys are learning something from this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For this example, I'll be choosing Google, since a lot of you have probably already heard of it before and might even be using it already, and the website will indicate that you have selected one product. You can really pick multiple products that you want to give ratings to. But for now, we're just using this one. Now click on this blue Continue button over here. Now we will be taken to this page where it says Write a short review on one of the products that you use. Now just go ahead and click on the review button to get started. But wait, you've got to log in or create an account here on G2. Once you've done that, then you can give your rating on this project and you can start making money. All you've got to do to sign up is click on this blue button to sign up with your email with LinkedIn or Google. Then if you use your email, you need to verify your account by clicking the link that they sent you to your inbox. Now once you've verified your account, we can move on to the next step. We can now start writing our review and rating the product that we chose. Just go through the form, but pay close attention to the question, how likely is it that you would recommend to a friend or colleague? You can rate from a scale of 1 to 10, with 1 being not likely and 10 being very likely. In this particular case, I do enjoy using Google Drive. Install and give it a rating of 10 because it is indeed very likely that I'll recommend it to my friends. Now on to the title for your review. On the space provided, you should write something to describe your experience in a short sentence. Bonus tip, when you look up Google, you'll be able to find a lot of information about it. And on top of that, you can see that there are a lot of reviews on it already. By looking at their examples, you can draw some ideas about how you can write your review of Google Drive. Take a look at this one made by this person. They've got a good title right here, and here you can see them telling us about what they like about Google Drive and what they don't like about it as well. By going through some of these reviews provided by other people, you can get something like an inspiration and ideas for you when you write your own. So you can start making money already. Going back to our review that we are writing, let's put this title right here. Now moving on to the rest of the questions, let's do our best to answer them all. You'll come across questions like, what do you dislike? What do you like? And so on. The best part is you only have to write 40 characters for each question, and you can refer to reviews that already exist here on g2.com. There are hundreds and hundreds of written reviews already, so you've got the best shot at writing a good one yourself. All of these reviewers come from so many different countries in the world, and what makes it even more awesome is that this opportunity is free, so no need to worry. This is way easier than a lot of people might think. Once you're done with giving the rating and writing this simple review, you now just have to agree to the statement which says that you certify that the review is a genuine opinion of yours and that it is submitted in accordance with the terms of use. Just click on this blue button to confirm, and once that's done, we can finally simply submit the whole thing. Don't forget that this is something that you can do over and over again, so that you can get paid over and over again. There are hundreds and thousands of software out there that you can review. And the best part is, you don't need to pay for a subscription to this website, nor do you need any previous experience. It's that simple. Do you want to learn how you can earn $4,320 automatically from an automated store? Click here. This has been Rachel's Money Guide. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.